All right, welcome to the channel, everybody. We're going to be checking out Rolling Quartz Masquerade today. This is the Mad Scientist Musician channel. We do first time hears, gear reviews, song reactions, originals, covers, improvs, all kinds of music and recording content, like that kind of stuff. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, like buttons right down there, real quick, easy to hit while you're sitting there thinking about it. Throw a comment down there. Let me know what you think. We got memberships available, and if you really want to help support the channel and you like what we do that much, we got the thank buttons for donos, because most of this stuff's copyrighted and YouTube music is a pain in the butt. One of the reasons I stopped streaming my reactions was because I almost got my channel taken away from me. So yeah, we'll go on Kick and Twitch and do all kinds of different streaming stuff. So you want to check us out over there, by all means, go over there, hit the follow button, subscribe button, whatever kind of button it is over there. And that's what we're going to do, weird random stuff. That way you'll get the alerts when we're live. You can come hang out and be a part of the community. Really appreciate everybody, and let's get to it. We got memberships. Members, you guys are awesome. Gives early access to everything. I'm trying to get stuff uploaded beforehand. Got to be somewhere in May, so I'm trying to get May covered way ahead of time. And so far, the shorts are going pretty well. Long format videos, we're trying to get them up and going, that you guys got stuff to watch. This has got such a groove to it. Wow. Just, even from the start, just absolute groove. It grabs you and it just rolls you up and says, we're going for a ride. This is what's going to happen, and off we go. This is, wow. Such a simple riff, but going to the higher scale works really well, and the drum is just pushing the guitar along. Perfect. Absolute perfect. Okay, so we've got a cymbal, hi-hat swell, and then like two beats, and we're breaking into the lyrics. This is four times standard timing. Perfect for this song. The crushed vocals give it a really neat effect, and it works for this song. This song has got such a cool and weird vibe to it, and I completely dig it. It's got almost an 80s vibe to it. The vocals, they did the quick little high pitch. Yeah, that's it. Oh, these vocals are so cool. Wow. That was a cool little fill. What? No, we missed that. I'm trying to hold it together. I can't. Oh, I can't hold it together. This is just... They're sitting there screwing with her hair while she's playing the drums. Look at the face. That's just... I mean... That's just so funny. One of those just... Do you really have to do that right now? Really? is a perfect example how simplicity can work so well. There's not a lot going on at all. The drums are pretty much keeping it going. The vocals and the drums are working together in harmony. The guitar is just doing a quick little muted doot, 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 doot with a mid to high pitched squeak every 4 bars. Bass isn't really doing a whole lot either. It's just kind of keeping a very, very basic tempo and beat so that they can play around. But it keeps the swing. It keeps the groove. Everything is staying perfectly the way that it's supposed to. She's doing some really cool stuff on the hi-hats, the swells, the really quick hits, the 16th and 32nd notes. Yeah, good stuff. Hold up. Completely compressed. She goes from such a cool, clean voice that sounds beautiful to compressed. Just squeeze it right down. Oh man, those hard, heavy chugs were just perfect. The drummer is just shining like a diamond in this song. Holy cow. All the rest of the people in this band are perfectly in time. Everything is so well timed and executed. The notes are just so on point. It's a weird song. It's got a groovy, crazy vibe to it. Everything fits. This is so out of the box, but so cool at the same time. Beautiful film. Little bit of sweet picking in there. Yes. That's good. That's good. I like the wah. A little flow with a sweet pick. Yeah. Oh, that was so cute. She was almost talking with it. That, yeah, dig it. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Oh. Wow. Wow is the best thing to say about that. I mean, beautifully executed. The sway, the groove. It didn't just hook you, but it took you for the ride. All of the good points. There was no bad points in this song. The pauses were where they needed to be for as long as they needed to be. They got the attention. There was flair where it needed to be. Simplicity, so much simplicity, and it sounded perfect. Absolutely perfect. It kept the swing, it kept the sway, it kept the groove, it kept the song going exactly like it needed to be. This was such an amazingly well done song. It's produced great, recorded, mixed. Oh, yes, all the instruments and vocals were right where they needed to be. I love how they compress and just squish the vocals and suck it down into a can for that effect where it needed to be. It gave it that old 80s vintage style to it. Oh, man. Drums, flary, cool little fills and riffs all over the place. Sweet picking in the guitar solos. Just everything in this was cool. The video in itself was absolutely hilarious. I mean, she's sitting there screwing the girl's hair in the process of doing things. I mean, everything was so cool. Really appreciate you guys if you're still here. Really helps videos out a lot. I know I say that all the time at the end of the videos, but hey, it's the end of the video and not a lot of people make it this far. You guys that make it this far, you're the OGs. You're the ones that really help the channel out the most. Throw a comment down below. Say hello. Tell me where you're from. Have you heard these bands before? Do you know about these bands? Is that the reason you came to the channel to watch the reaction? See the first time once again because you remember what you were like when you first saw it first time. Either way, throw a hi down in the comments below or a hello, something like that, and let me know you made it to the end of the video. Appreciate everybody. You guys have a good one. Happy New Year. It is January 1st, January 2nd, midnight-ish when I'm recording this. So, yep, 2026 has finally started. Let's see if this is going to be a banger of a year. See y'all in the next one.